Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. Do you know students, temperature increases with first option increasing kinetic energy, second option increasing temperature, third option is increasing pressure and our last option is decreasing pressure. So let's see students, temperature increases with increasing kinetic energy or not. So students, whenever liquid is heated in a container, its kinetic energy increases and temperature of liquid also increases. This liquid is students converted into vapor. Okay students, then according to our second point, that is temperature increases with increasing temperature or not students. So students, increasing temperature basically increases the average speed of the reactant molecules, which result in faster formation of your products in a chemical equation. Okay students, and according to increasing pressure, let's see what the effect we have got. So students, as the pressure of the gas is increased, the temperature will decrease. Okay students, so as the molecules will come closer to each other. Now if we move ahead to our last topic, that is decreasing pressure students. So you will see here students, as your pressure decreases, air molecules spread out, that means the air molecules expands and the temperature decreases. Okay students, so students, the correct answer for this question will be your option number A, that is temperature increases with increasing kinetic energy. So I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day.